Now that we've covered how to create content, leave feedback, approve it, schedule it, and get it published, it's time to talk about analytics. In the analytics section, you'll be able to see your page, post, and audience insights for one page at a time. Before getting started, the first thing you need to do is make sure you select a time period that interests you. You can select a custom one or choose from the predefined one we offer. For the page metrics, you can select each metric to get more details, and you'll also be able to see the evolution of each metric compared to the previous similar time frame. Now, as you continue scrolling down, you'll see your top 3 posts based on either views or engagement, and then you'll be able to see all of your content and how all of their metrics are doing. The last part here would be the audience insights, which you can see for your page. Now you can see all of these metrics for one page at a time, or go ahead and see it across all of your channel to see how your entire brand is doing. You can also go ahead and create a report. You can customize it with your logo, choose which metrics to show and in which order, plus leave notes and additional context to each section. Once it's done, you can share it with a link or download it as a PDF to share it with anybody else outside of Planable.